Ama namin, maaari kaya?
Mga tuhod magkabila ang nangangapal kakaluhod sa harapan ng salamin. Parang ibang panay ang tanong kung maaari bang mapasakin ka't mapasa iyo ako. Yan ang paborito kong dasal. Dalawang patinig lang ang pinag-aasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Makasaya mo hanggaan. Kaya mo, gusto ko. Mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasamahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Kayang mapasakin pinakaaasam. Ama namin, maaari kayang mapasakin pinakaaasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Makasaya mo hanggaan. Kaya mo, gusto ko. Mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasamahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Sabihin mo, oh, oh. Tanda mo pa ba kung kailan?
Martina, Martz, Majoy, love, this is the day that we have been waiting for.
Lorenzo, Kuya Renz, Enzo, my love and my everything. I can't believe that we're finally here, that I'm standing in front of our favorite people, about to marry the love of my life.
Ang
At a young age, I already knew that all of the choices that I make in this life, none will be more important than choosing my partner and father of my children. And in choosing you, I know I've given them the greatest gift I could. A father that will be full of strength, patience, and love.
The first time palang kita hinatid pa uwi Bulinaw, alam ko nang need kita ibalik sa Baguio. Because I feel my Baguio home for 26 years will never be the same without you on it.
You came into my life at a time I least expected, with your calm, patient, and weird self. And you slowly broke down the defenses I set for myself. You've shown me so much love, care, and patience in all the years that we've been together. And you've taught me that it's okay to be weak, and that it was okay to feel the emotions I've been used to bottle up my whole life.
It's not good for Lorenzo and Majoy to be alone. Kaya ang Panginoong Diyos mismo, special itong araw nito. Grinant ni Lord kasi alam ng Panginoong Diyos na hindi kayang mabuhay ni Lorenzo nang wala si Majoy. At hindi rin kayang kumain matulog ni Majoy na hindi kasama si Lorenzo. Kaya si Lord mismo, special po itong nandito sa harapan natin.
Naaalala mo pa ating unang
I never believed in marriage. Growing up an OFW child, I've been witness to how fragile relationships and marriages can be. I saw marriage as something people did out of obligation and rarely out of love. I've never had to question your love or your intentions for me, because every day you have never failed to make me feel loved and beautiful. And that love extended not just to my family but to also my friends.
sa ating unang halik.
Wala na akong hihilingin pang ibang magulang sa inyo kasi binigay niyo na lahat sa amin, sa aming magkakapatid. Never kayo nagkulang. You were selfless. Gave all.
Di tayo magkalapit, di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ikaw ay naharana. Di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik sa ating unang halik?
My proposal is only simple. Is that you stay to be you. Love, you have changed me in many positive ways, and you are always right that you are my lucky charm. Will you please marry me? Yes or yes?
Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho.
Uy, si Bad Boy!
To be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by.
No, no.
Di kita pababayaan.
Sino nag-take out ng bigas? May bigas yun.
You welcome me in your home, your mom, your dad, Cardo, Scoopy, Loki, Kali, your Joker titas, Koet titos, and cousins, the Bangkas, the Stars, Dar Arosip, Elpis, board games. Everything made me feel welcome. I know you are a perfect homemaker, my love, because you are full of love to give, and I thank God for you.
I always joke that naging iyakin ako because nahawa ako sa pagkaiyakin ng mga presa espejo. Ma, ha? Thank you for all your sacrifices for me. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. And I hope you appreciate the efforts that I've been doing for you kasi nothing will be enough para makabawi sa sacrifices niyo para sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. I no longer have to pretend to be perfect. You have always been there for me. You are my home, and I will always be thankful to God and the universe for you. Thank you for always being gentle, kind, even when there's no one looking, and for leading and protecting me with love, filling my life with so much love and laughter, and making me feel like you're home.
Handa na, ikaw ay makasama sa hirap at ginawa, sa bukas at walang hanggan. Handa na, maging iyong tahanan, lumuha o tumawa, yayakapin hanggang.
Lorenzo, my love, I pray that we don't settle down together because I want us to take off together. I want us to achieve the life that we dream. I promise to always be your navigator princess. Not just during road trips, but your devoted partner throughout the next chapter of our lives.
Handa na, ikaw ay makasama sa hirap at ginawa, sa bukas at walang
Sa
hanggan.
bawat araw ng aking buhay, mulit-muli kitang pipiliin. tatanggapin ang bawat yakap mo na para bang lunas sa lahat ng sakit. Ikaw ang sagot sa aking panalangin at habang buhay akong magpapasalamat sa iyo, aking asawa.
I promise to tell our children that I chose the best father for them. That before they even exist, I was thinking of them when I fell in love with you. I will tell them that they will grow up in a home full of love, laughter, support, and acceptance. Because that is the life we built together before they even came.
Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho, to be your best friend, to be there until the end. Sa'yo lang ako, walang duda. Handa na, ikaw ay makasama sa hirap at ginawa, sa bukas at walang hanggan. Handa na maging iyong tahanan, lumuha o tumawa, yayakapin hahagkan. Oh, ang dami kong gustong gawin sa tuwing ika'y kapiling. Sigurado na ako sa'yo,
I
ako'y
promise to find you in every lifetime. Because my heart belongs to you in all versions of my existence. I love you, my love. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life loving you.
ako'y handa na.